To add a trainer, click Add Trainer icon on the navigation bar. Type in the name or the email of the trainer and push Enter. There is a chance that the trainer already uses Workshop Butler. In this case, your work is almost done as the system provides most of the data for you. But let's choose another path. I'm trying to add Marina Bond as a new trainer. As you see, she is not in the system. So, on the first tab, we need to provide your personal data: name, email, and country. Like that, Germany. Okay, next step. So, on the second step, add her billing address. Your trainers can update this address later, or they can add a completely new one. So trainers use these billing addresses to tell you what company will pay workshop royalty fees, because sometimes trainers work under different companies. So the first step is about license. So start with the license version. If you have just one version at V1, for example, it doesn't matter at this stage. Start and end dates are the most important values on this form. They represent, of course, when the license for a trainer starts and ends. Okay, let's choose today, and it ends in a year. Okay, I also recommend filling the last field, the license fee. The correct value will help you later in a year when a trainer renews your license. Workshop Butler sends you a notification about the renewal and includes this fee into it. Okay, and we're done. The last step is an optional one. Here you can configure the main spoken language for the trainer and the main country where this trainer runs events. So this data helps the visitors of your website to find a correct trainer when they come to your website to looking for workshops or facilitators. Later on, trainers can add more languages and more countries if they need. Okay, click Finish. Now Workshop Butler already sent a notification to a trainer, so it's up to him or her update the rest of the profile, add biography, photo, and etc.